All right, everybody. Okay, so this is the Swift Acquisition Workspace. Basically, when you have a seller and you want to negotiate the price with the seller, this is where you go. You go to your command center, you open it up, and it's gonna pop this open. I built in a deal analyzer. That way, you could run the numbers while you're on the phone with them if they just wanna, you know, renegotiate right there on the phone. All right. So you put their name here, their address, and if you have the analyzer, you could put a copy of it right there just in case you don't want to keep going back and forth changing. All right. So you read your opening script. Once you're done, you shut up and listen, and then you find out what their motivation is. They could be tired landlord, vacant, bad tenants, whatever the pain is, they're gonna let you know, right? As they continue to talk, you're gonna find out what their motivation is. Their motivation might be bad tenant, or they might just be tired landlord still. They might just be getting old and tired of it, right? So once they're done telling you all that information, you thank them, and then by that time you already put in all your number. You put the after value repair, the how much you think you could sell it for, because the property could be worth 150,000. You put lipstick on the pig, and it's only worth 135 once you put lipstick on the pig, right? Probably lower, probably 115, 120, and then you put how much the repair cost is, the holding cost, acquisition cost, disposition cost. Disposition is basically when you sell the property, when you fix it up and you sell it, and how much they're asking. For this exercise, let's say they're asking for 125, right? Now, as you could see, this is how much you're gonna end up spending. However, this is how much you're gonna make negative. So you just go down the script with them and you read the script out. For the sake of this exercise, I'm trying to keep it short, not that long. After you finish to read everything off to him, and if he wanna, oh, that's a low ball offer, I understand. You go through that, and then you go right back and let him know the best you could offer. You could even do the math right here. Let's see, 90,000. Okay, all right. So you let him know. But I'm gonna listen. Okay, absolutely. You let them know whatever they say at you. You go to the objection, and you will find it. Click on it, and they'll give you the answer. All right. Now, if you want this script, if you want to use it so you can get more deals, just like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Share the YouTube channel, and I will definitely send you a copy of this. Okay, so that way you and your team can start making money and closing more deal. All right. Thank you again for watching. God bless.